In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the catch window in Pokemon Legends ZA Mega Dimensions. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, the catch window is basically a temporary state of vulnerability that occurs after you defeat a wild Pokemon in battle, and it's triggered by knocking out a wild Pokemon. So the state allows you to essentially catch the Pokemon's friends or nearby Pokemon from the same species at a higher catch rate, which is definitely going to be beneficial. So just go ahead and defeat a Pokemon, then look for a change. So after the Pokemon is defeated, a nearby living Pokemon of the same species is going to enter the catch window state. So just go ahead and throw a Pokeball at them. Obviously, a more powerful Pokeball like a Great Ball or an Ultra Ball is going to be better for this scenario, but you could also try your luck with a normal Pokeball, and the catch rate is going to be significantly improved. So it's going to be a 1-to-3 ratio, which is going to be a lot more than before. And yeah, you can repeat this process to catch a few Pokemon in the area, usually around 3 times, which is really good. Sometimes it can be a bit less, sometimes it can also be a bit more as well. So yeah, it's actually really useful during the Mega Dimensions DLC, and yeah, then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Check out all our other Mega Dimension DLC videos on the channel.